Hi, welcome to the ReclaiMe channel. In this video we will show you how to recover files deleted by mistake. This is the most popular case of data loss. The recovery result depends on many factors like how much time has passed from the moment you deleted a file to the moment you decided to recover it, how much the device was filled with data, what file system was used in the device, and so on. When you recover data from an internal PC hard drive, the first thing you should do is to check the recycle bin. If the file is still there, just right-click on it to restore it. If there is no necessary file in the recycle bin, you should try to recover it using special data recovery software like ReclaiMe File Recovery. The most important rule when you recover deleted files from whatever device is to stop using it once you realize that you deleted something important, because every new file you write to the device may overwrite previously deleted one. And the recovery of overwritten data is impossible. So, we will show you how to recover deleted files using this external hard drive as an example. Here is our disk. Connect it to the PC. In my case it is a laptop. Let's start. Here is our data. And now we are going to delete a couple of photos. Let it be these photos. Now let's try to recover them. Open a browser, go to www.reclaime.com. Download the software, install it and run. Choose the drive in the available devices list and click Start. The software starts immediately bringing the data. To easily find deleted files, use the search function. Here you can enter the file name, its status, deleted or normal, and last modification date. Let's check this box. Find files deleted today. Here are our deleted files. To copy the files, buy a license key. The key is lifetime, so you will be able to use it in future in different devices and even in different computers. One more note. Check carefully where you are going to copy the recovered data. Under any circumstances, do not choose the device you recovered these files from. And now we are done. ReclaiMe team was with you. See you soon.